Hi, Jill Andrews here, and this is the first introductory tutorial around the interactive website review checklist for solopreneurs and small businesses that I've created. If you haven't downloaded this free checklist yet, you can do it by clicking this button right here. Today I'd like to explain to you how this list is structured and what all the different colors and elements mean so you can easily navigate through it. Okay, so this list is based on a 4-step strategy of how to win clients through your website. Getting traffic to your website, making a great first impression, reinforcing this great impression over time to win trust, and then making a sale. Each step has its own color, which is consistent through the list itself. It means if you see something red, it is somehow related to traffic generation. Something yellow to making people know, like, and trust you, and so on. For example, this point right here, internal links to other posts and pages, has a red border around it, although it belongs in the yellow category. It means that this point affects your traffic, in this case SEO specifically. A dotted arrow indicates the same kind of dependency, but between bigger blocks. For example, this arrow here means email subscriptions will influence the traffic on your blog. The more email subscribers you have, the more people will visit your site when you send them a link to your new post. And this arrow here means that flawless user experience will encourage your readers to discover more of your content. By indicating these dependencies, I want to give you more than just points to cross off. I want you to understand how things are interconnected, how they work, and give you more motivation to act on it, as you now know what effects this or that point will have. If you think you don't need these reminders and you know what influences what without them, just remove them. For example, select an arrow and press del, like this. Now you must have noticed already that this list is basically a collection of microlists. So when you start expanding a major point, you'll see other lists appear. The bigger blocks that have many points inside them are depicted as filled rectangles. For example, blog, email, subscription, flawless user experience. Also, if a point is bold italic, like this one right here, it means there are more points inside. This way, if you hide some points, it's clear that there is something inside this one, so you need to expand it later. Then we have a couple of comments, these gray boxes here, that contain additional information that I thought was important for you to know right there when you're working with the list. For example, this one right here gives you a direct link to the site you can test the spam score of your emails with. You can click on it to open the URL directly from this list. If you think you know this or you've read and remember it, you can simply delete these comments to unclutter your list further. Okay, that was it for now. I hope it feels less overwhelming after you watch this tutorial. And if you know how MindMap works, you can actually start reviewing your website with this checklist already. And if you stumble over the points you don't understand, leave them for now and stay tuned for more tutorials where I'll be going through each block on the list. If this tool is new to you, in my next tutorial, I will show you how you can cross off tasks more effectively, add new things, to adjust the list to fit specifically your website, set priorities, and track progress. Have a great day and talk to you soon.